What you doing, Joy Bear?
Swimming.
Oh yeah, are you having fun?
Yeah.
You can't swim by yourself, can you?
Yes, I'm pumping my legs and now I'm getting higher.
Holy cow! How'd you learn how to do that?
I want to be a big girl. Because that's what big girls do.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Well, fun. What are we doing today?
We're going to Melissa's house
Oh yeah? Where's she live?
in Minneapolis.
Oh, that sounds like fun. Who's coming?
I'm coming.
Who else?
Julie.
Melissa's friend Julie's gonna come later, huh? Yeah. Does Mommy and Daddy get to come?
No.
Oh no!